right, let's go.
Liam, no, give me it. Give me it, Liam.
Hey, there was grapes on that vine.
Ooh, Bella's in trouble. Guess Bella has to pay money. Bella!
No, she's okay.
Oh, there. Bella, I'm glad you got it. What you found?
It's a waterfall. Watch out! Oh! 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 There's rocks up here.
What are those?
I don't know. Oh. We're gonna put our shoes on. It's such a good feeling to know you're alive. All right, guys. We're gonna make our way to the car. I think we're running late for the dental appointment, but that's pretty much standard fare. All right, here we go. Don't want to run over any cats. The stories that were told. All right, now we're on our way to shop. Till we drop, let's go. We have arrived here at the mighty Walmart. Super awesome, super cool. We got to get the milk. Let's go. Outside of a Walmart, as you can well tell, we got milk. Holy cow. But these shopping bags are not meant to hold 2 gallons of milk. Yikes, look at that. We bought some nut meal. We're gonna try to make cinnamon rolls from nut flour. What else do we got here? Some more nut flour. Ooh, I got some no sugar added granola. That should be tasty. I got some propagation stations. Those are gonna be great. We're gonna try to propagate some cuttings. I got a spritzer so I can like spritz my plants, some vitamin C gummies, some berries. Because of course we gotta buy berries here. Organic apples, and then of course we got the spinach with the spring mix. Guys, the salad, gonna be very yummy. Looking forward to that. A lot of people buying sody pop these days, but apparently that's not healthy. It's called Spindrift. Not a sponsor, but it's got real fruit in it and everything, and I don't know. It's unsweetened lemonade, so wish me luck. Look at that. And all of its big, big glory. Wow, what a mess. I don't know how you cram 2 rooms into one. Headed down to the basement. As you can see, we're ripping out the walls. So the floodwater probably went up. Lots of work happening here at Sweetberry Farm. You can see quite a mess in here. I got the dehumidifier running, super awesome. I've been trying to spray my limestone walls with vinegar in case there's any mold spores on these old walls. It's a work in progress, but the moldy smell has gone down significantly, so I'm proud of the work that we've been able to do down here. I do need to come in and trim the because it was made out of composite and it sucked the water up. So if I could cut out the bottom of my door more put in. That's more waterproof. That would be smart. Quite a work in progress here. No, let's go. Up and out. Alright guys, behind me, a lineup of some of the most modern and incredible technology that exists. Behind me, a trailer with a subcompact tiller and a brush mower thing. My goal, to get these off the trailer without destroying the paint on them. Can I do it? It's gonna be tough. It's gonna be real tough. I have no idea how I'm going to manage this. My goodness. Let's get to it. But first, let's check on the cat, you know? Because I need to kind of center myself, find my chi or whatever, and the only way I can think of doing that, petting the cat. So let's do it. Beans, are you ready for this experiment? And come here. Get over here, baby boy. Come on. You need some love. You need some love this morning. Yes. Okay. I think he's ready to go play. Beans. Get back here. Oh, he wants to rub up on the camera tripod. Isn't that nice? Okay, well, back to work. Moments at a young man's life is when he has to operate heavy machinery to get heavy machinery off of a trailer. This is that moment. So bear with me. Kidding me? I should have enough power. Is it in there that low? Did I just snap? I think I just snapped the yeah, just snapped. Okay, yes. That was fun. Two sides up. All right. Set this off to the side. Now I have access. This is fun. We're gonna hop into the Mustang. Oh, this is gonna be one of the greatest challenges of my life. This is only my second time trying to drive this thing. Okay, do I remember how to do this? Parking brake, okay. What I'm doing. I'm trying to turn right. It is not working in my favor right now. Can I go backwards? There we go. Come on, turn right, baby. Turn right. Not working. Okay. I am destroying my yard though, which is not what I wanted. I did not want to put divots in my yard. That is a thing. Okay. Okay, there we go. I did not heat this up before I started it. So many issues. Now I'm going to evaluate exactly how I'm going to get this out of here. I have move the bucket up as close as I can get. Really, the object is get this mower somehow connected to the bucket. If I can slide it onto the bucket, maybe I can get a chain, go around this hook here, and then just hold it into the bucket. And that'll allow me to get it off. So this isn't gonna be as bad as I had initially imagined. But I will need some help probably sliding this onto the bucket. Let's see. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Stretch. Oh my God, maybe. On my own. But let's see. This is really challenging. Okay, 3, 2, 1, put. Oh, okay. That's a start. That's a start. All right, let's give it another go. I'm just trying not to kill my fingers. 3, 2, 1, push. Push. Okay, perfect. Whew, teamwork makes the dream work, right? We got this far. Now let's get the next half of the job done. To start one of these bad boys up, how do you do it? Well, I just learned yesterday. This handle right here goes forward, backwards, turns you side to side, which is super awesome, super easy, super intuitive. This is the throttle. This is the parking brake. This is like, it turns off the engine. So I'm gonna push that in so we can turn it back on. The key right here turns it on. I'm not sure what all those switches do. So we're gonna turn the throttle up, parking brake's off, that's there. Turn the key. Crank that all the way. And all right, so far so good. Now I'm gonna turn this bad boy around. If I can figure out how to do that. There we go. still trying to figure out how to drive. Full transparency. I don't think I can turn, oh, there we go. I gotta rotate that. There we go. All right. Now we're making progress. All right. We're gonna raise the bucket up. We're gonna drop the bucket. We're gonna go over the top. Oh. To somehow tie a chain around the subcompact and lift it out. So let's see how that goes, shall we? This is going to be the challenge of the day. I mean, this should be pretty straightforward if I can figure it out. This is the moment of truth. This is what we've waited for. We are going to attempt to now pick this up. Wish me luck. Nope. Here. Perfect, guys. Perfect. It couldn't get better than this. All right, guys. We just got done doing our analytics video, but you know, take a look. We got problems. The dishwasher. Nobody could have seen it coming, but it's Sunday and the dishwasher leaked all over the floor. My goal is to figure out how to get it to work again, how to stop it from leaking. This could be its own video. I know nothing about dishwasher repair. I'm not seeing any leaks on this inlet hose, so that's good. I think what I'm gonna do is kind of snap this together, make sure my drain hose is in the sink, and run the machine. And I'm gonna look and observe for more leaking, or to see if this thing even runs. So wish me luck on that. 3, 2, 1. Wait, I'm gonna give it a second. Okay, oil pump, check. I got a cat in here and, wait a second.
That wasn't starting. I don't like that.
We're gonna pop it into turtle mode, and hopefully I'm not running over any cats. First things first, trying to cut loose all the fun little pieces and straps holding everything together.
Monday morning, and we have to get some work done. All right. First matter of business, getting a bunch of returns. We do a lot of shopping at Menards, so I have a lot of things that I'm not even going to use. So I got to gather them up, like an air conditioner, a bunch of gutter supplies. Yeah, let's get to it. I'm gonna be honest with you. Life on the Sweetberry, a little challenging at times, but that's not gonna slow us down. Well, guys, I am working on these bobber tightener wheels. They're a little rusty, but I got them loosened up. I'm gonna reinstall on here. I wish I knew what things were called. Thingy-mabobber doohickey. That's pretty much my mechanical thing. Yeah. Let me get this thingy-mabobber doohickey on this thing. As you can see, we have termites lying around and swarming here in the barn. They're everywhere. Just enjoying life. So what I'm gonna do is put together a concoction to hopefully kill them. I have lemon juice in here, just the regular lemon juice that you buy at the store. I have vinegar and borax, and hopefully I can save my barn. I've been spraying this all spring and summer. Not very effective, as you can tell. Okay, guys, I don't know if I should share this with you or not, but I was trying to put the PTO shaft on the gearbox, and there was a little black ring here that I was supposed to take off and then put back on. It flew off, and I can no longer find it. That is a hair tie. That is not the black little metal ring that flew off of my gearbox. Holy cow. All right, guys, now I have to bury this drain tile before it rains again. So that's gonna be a bit of a doozy, but we'll make it work. All right. Okay, I'm out of juice.
Good day, ladies. Do you have any eggs? Ooh. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, would you take a look at that? The pumpkins are growing. Well, guys, we hope you enjoyed a day in the life here at Sweetberry Farm. This video was filmed over the course of a week. You can see, obviously, I do a lot of things around here, and sometimes I gotta stop and start things the next day. I didn't even film the fact that we cut grass this week either. I mean, things get pretty crazy at Sweetberry Farm. But we hope you subscribe, like, comment, and stick around for more videos in the future. I'm gonna go get some green peas. Let's see. Where's a green pea? Ooh, this one looks juicy. This one looks good. There's a bug on it. Is that a bug? Edible. And it snaps. Pretty good, pretty good. As always. Ooh, the berries. The berries are looking good. Well, you know what they say. Berries are sweet, but life's sweeter.